Hi, I'm Anakin with Pulse, and today we're going to talk about how to mount a TV. So the first thing you should think about when mounting a TV is where you're going to actually place it. Are you going to center it with the wall, center it with the mantle, or center it with your seating area?
Usually the TV should be right at your eye level. It may help to lay down tape where you plan to mount the TV. This should help you stay on target. Measure the TV and the bracket so you can make a plan where to mount it. Make sure the bracket will fit the TV and be able to support the weight.
The second thing you should think about is where you're going to hide the cords. Are you going to hide them in the wall, or are you going to leave them exposed and hide them outside of the wall? The next thing you want to think about is the type of mount you're going to use. If you're going to use a fixed mount, a full motion mount, or an articulating mount.
Get your tools organized. You'll want to have a drill, screwdriver, stud finder, pencil, tape measure, and a leveler. Use the stud finder to locate the stud behind the wall. This is where you want to install the wall mount. If you don't have a stud finder, you can always use a magnet. Use your pencil to mark where the screws for the mount should go. Then use the drill to pre-drill the holes into the stud. When the screws go in, they should feel solid and stable. Once you have the holes ready, hold the mount against the wall and drill the screws in so that they hold in place. Use a leveler to make sure the bracket is level with the ground. This will ensure that the TV is not crooked. Once the bracket is level, finish drilling the screws in and make sure they're tight enough. Carefully lift the TV, get help if necessary, and place it onto the mount. Screw the TV to the mount and double check to make sure it is secure. Depending on the type of mount, there may be a few places to tighten and adjust the screws before you're all done. Take a step back and make sure the TV looks right. Now it's time to hide the cord. Check out the next video to see how it's done.